In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate the Calendly booking calendar for free on Elementor WordPress in just 5 minutes. Now, if you want to streamline your booking process effortlessly, without any additional costs, you're in the right place. So let's get started with the first step. To kick things off, we're going to navigate to the official Calendly website. It's a fantastic tool for setting up online appointments efficiently. And the best part is, we're going to use this platform to integrate with your WordPress site seamlessly. Once you're on the Calendly homepage, the next step is to locate the login button. This is typically found at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click that and sign into your account. If you haven't already set one up, it only takes a few minutes to create a new account. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. Now, we want to look for the section labeled Integrations. This is where Calendly shines, as it offers a whole lot of flexibility by allowing you to connect with various platforms. Once you're in the Integrations area, you'll see several options available. What you want to do next is perform a quick search to find the WordPress integration. This is crucial for ensuring that your Calendly calendar can work smoothly with your WordPress site. Now that you've found WordPress in the list of integrations, go ahead and click on it. You're doing great. This action will take you to a detailed page explaining all the particulars of how Calendly interacts with WordPress. Here, you'll be guided through the steps you need to take to complete the integration. Generally, you'll find a download link for the Calendly WordPress plugin. Follow the instructions provided on the screen to install this plugin onto your WordPress site. Once the plugin is installed, you'll need to activate it. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, find the Calendly option, and click Activate. This action connects your WordPress site with your Calendly account, enabling the booking functionality directly from your web pages. By now, you should be seeing your Calendly calendar embedded within your WordPress site, ready to start managing bookings right away. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to integrate the Calendly booking calendar with Elementor WordPress. Remember, with just a few simple steps, you've made your online appointment scheduling straightforward and professional, all while keeping it free. If you encountered any hiccups along the way or need more advanced options, don't hesitate to explore Calendly's help section or WordPress forums. Thanks for watching and happy booking!